When a loved one struggles to make essential life decisions due to a mental or physical condition, adult guardianship can provide a legal framework for support. The core fact is that guardianship is a legal process where a court appoints a guardian to make decisions for an incapacitated adult, often called a ward. The reason different options exist stems from the fundamental principle of balancing protection with autonomy. Courts aim to choose the least restrictive alternative possible, meaning they try to grant only the powers absolutely necessary for the ward's safety and well-being, while preserving as much of the individual's independence as possible. This approach acknowledges that capacity can vary and may not always involve a complete inability to make decisions. There are primarily two main types of adult guardianship: full guardianship and limited guardianship. Full guardianship means the guardian has broad authority over most or all personal and financial decisions for the ward. This is typically reserved for situations where an individual is found to be completely incapacitated and unable to manage any aspect of their life. In contrast, limited guardianship tailors the guardian's authority to specific areas where the ward needs help, such as managing finances or making healthcare choices, while the ward retains control over other aspects of their life. Beyond these, some states also recognize specific types of guardianship for particular needs. For instance, a guardian of the person makes decisions about daily living, medical care, and residence, ensuring the ward's personal welfare. A guardian of the estate or conservator manages the ward's financial assets, investments, and property, protecting their monetary interests. It is also important to consider an emergency guardianship, which is a temporary court order used in urgent situations where immediate action is required to prevent harm to an individual. To understand which option is right for your specific situation, it is crucial to consult with an elder law attorney or a legal professional specializing in guardianship. They can assess your loved one's capacity, explain state-specific laws, and guide you through the petition process. Gathering medical documentation and detailing your loved one's needs will be vital for this discussion. Remember, the goal is always to find the solution that best supports your loved one's dignity and quality of life, while respecting their remaining abilities.